In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Printful with Etsy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your print-on-demand business and automate your order fulfillment, so let's dive right in. First off, the very first step is to open Printful and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but I'm assuming you all are set with that already. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Printful dashboard. This is the hub where you manage everything related to your print-on-demand business. Next, let's navigate to the section where you can manage your stores. To do this, look for an option labeled Stores on the main navigation menu. You might need to scroll a little or even check for a drop-down menu depending on your screen size, but it should be easily accessible. Once you have located the Stores option, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page that shows a list of any online stores you've already connected with Printful, as well as options to add new ones. Now we are looking to add an Etsy store, so click the button that says Add Store. After you click that, you will see various platforms that you can connect to Printful. You will want to select Etsy from this list. It might be positioned alongside other popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, but go ahead and find Etsy and click on it. Now at this point, you'll see a button that says Connect. Clicking this will open a new Etsy page and a new tab or window. Make sure to keep an eye on your original window, as we'll be coming back to it shortly. Once the Etsy page opens, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Etsy account. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Etsy account. This process is pretty straightforward, so just follow the prompts and log in. After signing in, you'll be met with a screen that reviews the permissions Printful is requesting from your Etsy account. These permissions are necessary for Printful to access your Etsy store and manage your orders efficiently. It's important to read through these details to ensure you're comfortable with what rights you are granting. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click on the Allow Access button or whatever confirmation button appears. At this step, you'll be redirected back to Printful. Just keep in mind that sometimes it may take a moment for everything to sync up, so be patient. When you return to the Printful dashboard, you should see your Etsy store now listed under the Stores section. If you see it there, congratulations. You have successfully connected your Etsy store to Printful. Now that your Etsy store is integrated with Printful, you are all set to begin creating and selling your products. As orders come in through Etsy, Printful will handle printing and shipping, allowing you to focus more on your designs and marketing. And that's it. Integrating Printful with Etsy really is as simple as that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. I encourage you to explore Printful and all the amazing products it offers to help make your Etsy shop a success. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Printful and Etsy.